Let's talk about the Pats game. If you're heading out to do some tailgating, heading to the game itself, looking great. Upper 60s around 11 o'clock in the morning. Maybe you're firing up some of those hot dogs and hamburgers. 1 p.m. kickoff, 70 degrees. 4 p.m., 69. It's going to be a little lighter in the wind department in comparison to yesterday, so very little impact on the game in terms of weather today. Not a bad idea to grab maybe the light Pats jacket, especially if you're sitting in the shadier part of the stadium where temperatures will be a bit cooler. A great view this morning. You could see far down Narragansett Bay with the Eyewitness News Threat Tracker in the low category for today, tomorrow. On Tuesday, I put you in the medium category because we will see the chance of some heavy rain, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. More on that in just a second. It's been all over the place temperature-wise this morning. Taunton at 42 after being at 33 degrees earlier this morning. Still some 30s showing up in western Rhode Island, although those weather stations may be running a bit behind by now. But there still are some stubborn pockets of cold air that will erode quickly with the sunshine. And we'll have plenty of the sunshine today. We will get clipped at times by a few clouds here and there in advance of this next system. In fact, there's a lot of weather to track as we head into the work week with a couple of coastal systems possible. We'll detail that at the conclusion of this exciting weather presentation in just a second. First, we're looking at temperatures today. Notice by the afternoon, upper 60s to around 70 inland for places like Smithfield, Providence, similar temperatures to yesterday. At the coast, it's a little cooler with those breezes coming in out of the southeast. So Narragansett, Newport, you're in the low to mid 60s by 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Overnight temperatures not as cool as what we're seeing right now because of the additional moisture and cloud cover kind of acting like a blanket overnight, keeping us a little bit warmer. This afternoon around 70 at 3 p.m. and 69 we'll call it at 1 p.m. with a mix of sun and clouds. Tonight we have a lot going on with the moon. We have the supermoon. That is where the moon and the earth are at their closest distance of the year for 2015. When that happens, you tend to get a fuller and a brighter moon. We also have a lunar eclipse going on. That's where the earth blocks out the sun and creates a shadow over the moon, but actually instead of creating darkness, the light from the sun gets bounced around the atmosphere, creating a nice reddish glow. So this will be a spectacular sight if we can keep away the clouds tonight. The cloud forecast is a bit iffy. Notice clouds increasing by around 10 p.m. just before the peak of the event, which is around 10:47. So I can't completely rule out some clouds obscuring your view, but it's worth an attempt. I know I'm going to take an attempt at it later on tonight, especially north and west of Providence, a decent amount of clear sky time. At the south coast, it may be a bit cloudier, but I do think we'll have a few windows for viewing as well. Overnight clouds filling in a bit more, and then for tomorrow morning and throughout tomorrow afternoon, the chance of a few showers here and there, but not a washout for Monday. The heavier rain possible Tuesday night into Wednesday morning as a front approaches. In fact, we could get some pretty gusty winds from the middle of the week to the end of the week as a couple of coastal low pressures kind of batter the eastern coast of Massachusetts with some gusty winds. So there's a potential of some minor coastal flooding for the eastern Massachusetts coast from Wednesday through the weekend. We'll keep you updated on that. We will also keep you updated on our website over on WPRI.com.
Now, Eyewitness Sports with Mark Dondero.